Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Tucson key fob. First, locate the small button on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly to release the emergency key. Once released, slide the emergency key completely out of its slot. Now, look inside the key fob where the emergency key was. You should see a small slot or notch. With the emergency key removed, take a small, flathead screwdriver. Insert the tip of the screwdriver into the small slot or notch you found. Gently twist the screwdriver to begin prying the two halves of the key fob apart. Be careful and apply only light pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the small, round battery. Take a moment to note which way the battery is facing, usually with the positive side up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert a new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one. Now it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the edges match up perfectly. Gently press the halves together until you hear them click securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks. Your key fob should now be fully functional. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.